I'm sure you've heard the news. Microsoft just dropped some major security updates. Microsoft's December 2024 Patch Tuesday delivered critical fixes for 72 vulnerabilities, including an actively exploited CLFS flaw. Businesses in Houston, are you prepared? Impress IT Solutions ensures you're always protected. We handle proactive patch management, advanced privilege controls, and continuous monitoring to keep your systems secure. Why does it matter? The CLFS vulnerability, rated 7.8, can give attackers system privileges. That's ransomware and data theft waiting to happen. But don't worry, we've got your back. Our multi-layered defense strategy and expert vulnerability mitigation keep threats at bay. We even provide training to help your team stay sharp. Stay ahead with Impress IT Solutions. Contact us today to ensure your systems are protected against the latest threats and optimized for long-term success.